ColorOff White. BrandUrban Shop. Product dimensions 28dx29wx30h. MaterialFaux fur. Room type bedroom. Frame material metal. Adds a luxurious and alpine feel to any room. Perfect for small apartments and spaces. Faux fur fabrication is super soft and comfy. Folds for easy storage when not in use, no assembly required. Dimensions: 30h x29w x28l. Update your bedroom or dorm with this luxurious Mongolian faux fur saucer chair. Super plush and comfortable, this folding chair is perfect for reading, watching TV or just relaxing. This cozy chair is a perfect decorative addition to update any room with the luxurious Mongolian fabrication. Chair easily folds up and can be stored without taking up much space when not in use. No assembly required. Dimensions: 30h x29w x28l. Top reviews from the United States. Bedroom decor upgrade. My daughter was ready to upgrade her bedroom from Barbies and toys to a more preteen bedroom. She is absolutely thrilled with this chair and tells me all the time she just loves the look to her new room. Qualify is good, easy to fold and unfold.